In sixth problem, given the linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is an linear equation, it is given. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is. Means we have to write second linear equations according to the first linear equations. These pair of linear equations should be satisfying the first, second and third point. So in first point, intersecting. So for intersecting points, we see the steps. 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This a linear equation is given. For intersecting lines, we know very well a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. So from the given equation, a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 8. Accordingly, we have to take the value of a2, b2 and c2 by myself only. If we take the value of a2 as 5 and b2 as 4 and c2 as minus 3, when you find the ratio of a1 upon a2, you will get 2 upon 5 and b1 upon b2, it will be 3 upon 4. Now you can see a1 upon a2 means 2 upon 5 does not equal to 3 upon 4. So therefore a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. Accordingly, according to the value of a2, b2 and c2, we have to write a linear equation in standard form like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now you see a2x, for a2x we put the value of a2 is 5, so 5x plus b2i, b2 I have taken 4y and c2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? For second point, parallel lines. For parallel lines, it is given that 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 linear equations in two variables. As we know, for parallel lines, the ratio of their coefficient like a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. From the given equation, a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is equal to minus 8. So by this situation, by parallel line situation, we have to take the value of a2, b2 and c2 by myself. These values should be satisfying the condition for parallel lines. The condition for parallel lines are here: a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not c1 upon c2. Now you see in calculation, a1 upon a2 means 2 upon 4. After reducing, it will be 1 upon 2. The ratio of b1 upon b2 means 3 upon 6. It will be also 1 upon 2. And the ratio of c1 upon c2 minus 8 upon 11. It is cannot be simplified. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but does not is equal to c1 upon c2. So by the value of a1, a2, b2 and c2, we have to write another linear equations like 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Now come to third point. In third point, coincident lines. In coincident also, like 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This linear equation is given. For coincident line, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Accordingly, we have taken the value for a2, b2 and c2 like 4, 6 and minus 16. When we find the ratios of their coefficients, we will be having 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So accordingly, according to the value of a2, b2 and c2, we have to write another pair of linear equations. Is it okay? Clear? Okay.